Hiya folks, just a quick little video here to celebrate the upcoming 90th birthday of everyone's favourite mouse. I'm planning on putting together a very special video and I need your help to make it possible. I'm hoping to piece together a mashup of fan wishes for Mickey Mouse and would love subscribers and fans of Mickey to send in a video that I can compile into a mashup. Tell me what your favourite memories of Mickey are, what he means to you, or a special story involving yourself and Mickey, and make sure to end the video by saying, "Happy 90th birthday, Mickey! Please keep all videos no longer than 10 to 15 seconds so I can utilize as many entries as possible, and if possible, please make sure to film your video in landscape, that's sideways, but feel free to film it on whatever device you have at your disposal in any way you see fit or feel most comfortable. Preferably, I'd like all entries to be sent to me at daveleedownunder@gmail.com, but I'm also happy for you to utilize social media in sending it to me. You can tweet it to me at daveleed1991, you can send it to me in a Facebook message or a Facebook post, you can upload it to YouTube, but just make sure you send me the link somehow. If you are going to utilize social media for this, please make sure to tag your entry with hashtag #DaveleeMickeyCelebration, just in case I miss any entries and I can keep on top of them all. Please send all entries to me by Wednesday, 14th of November to allow myself ample time to edit the video. I want to get it up on Mickey's birthday on the 19th. By entering, you agree to the terms set out in this video, which acts as a waiver and allows me to include your video in my Mickey Celebration compilation, and by entering you understand that you will receive no compensation for doing so. I'm happy for entrants from all ages, but all entrants under the age of 18 must have parental permission before submitting. Thanks to absolutely everybody, I hope to see plenty of submissions, and I hope you all have a magical day. Thanks once again.